back at it again, and Adele's baking again. It's another oven-based cooking demonstration going on here.
Yep.
But so for those travelling without an oven, sorry about that. But you can certainly keep this one for when you get home.
Yeah, you can try it in a Weber barbecue with the lid down.
Okay.
It tends to help do oven-baked things.
Awesome. So, what are we up to today?
Doing some muffins again.
Doing muffins again. Well, we haven't recorded muffins before, and your muffins are to die for. They are amazing.
Here we are, doing strawberry muffins with a bit of milk chocolate this time instead of the white chocolate. So
okay, so we've gone strawberries today because you have a few variations to your muffins, don't you?
A few strawberries I've got left over, so I just use up and make some muffins. So I've measured out the 2.5 cups of self-raising flour already in the bowl, save a bit of time, and I just add all the other ingredients. So there's no fancy method, just put it all in. So
okay, you want to get started? What have we got here?
The vegetable oil.
How much did you put in?
2/3 of a cup.
Yep. How much? What have we got here?
3/4 of a cup of milk. Lightly beaten egg.
Just one egg?
One egg.
Sugar?
Sugar.
How much is that?
2/3 of a cup from memory. I'd have to check on that. So we'll mix that all together, and then I'll put the strawberries and milk chocolate chips in at the end. So it's very, very simple. Let's mix it all together. I don't bother sifting the flour, I don't bother using caster sugar, I just use normal sugar, and it still tastes good. So, and the one other thing I've got to get is vanilla. So just a little bit of vanilla essence, that's heaps.
Okay.
So that's all mixed together. Just add the chocolate and the strawberries. I only had about 8 little strawberries left, so I just chopped them up finely. That hopefully will be enough. And mix that all in.
What other variations do you make with your muffins? Because some of them are just so awesome.
Blueberry and white chocolate, raspberry and white chocolate, and the other one I originally always used to make and still do is the banana chocolate choc chip muffins. That helps me use up some old bananas.
These are, I'm not a big muffin fan, but these ones are very yummy. Okay, so they're all mixed in and around now.
So we'll just put them into the little muffin tins. I do have these little silicone patty cake containers, but they're a little bit small for the muffins, so I've just got some paper ones. I'll just lay on the tray. Usually makes about 12 to 15, depending on how big I fill the cases. I'll do to start with. Go back and top them up if I need to.
Okay, so we've got a dozen made up.
Muffins ready to go in the oven. Strawberry and choc chip muffins.
And we've still got some left over.
We have another 3 to fill, and I'll put them in after these ones are cooked. Take about 15 to 20 minutes. Just check them so they don't overcook. Probably turn the oven down a bit. Our gas oven does cook quickly. Here
come the muffins.
we are.
Yum.
Nice
Oh.
golden brown colour. So they spring back, so they're cooked.
Now these muffins are sensational to eat tomorrow, but to have them fresh out of the oven, nice and hot, they are so delicious. I cannot wait to get my lips around one of these.
Just let them cool down a little bit first.
Or
before you have them.
do I really have to?
Well, you can burn your mouth otherwise.
So we usually have these muffins not just on their own. We do have them on their own, but usually you put them, make a dessert,
With a bit of whipped cream.
bit of whipped cream, and you could also obviously have some
Bit of yogurt.
yeah,
Strawberry
yogurt.
yogurt with it.
We don't have enough freezer space to have ice cream, but
No.
obviously with ice cream they'd be yummy.
Yeah. Or sometimes I make custard, so I have them
Yep.
with custard as well.
Awesome. All right, let's have one.